Wow, Clinton, look at the range of parts and the quality of the parts you've brought to show us today about what Fusion 360 can do today. Now, I'm sure the engineers out there who are watching the video, like myself, they've probably used Fusion for a bit, they've heard of it, and they've probably used it maybe 6-7 years ago, maybe don't use it right now. But where did Fusion 360 start and where is it now, please, Clinton?
Sure, Rowan. Yeah, Fusion 360, it's first launched in 2013, so this is 10 years ago. And at the time, Fusion was very much conceived as a tool to enable hobbyists and startups to create amazing parts, support their projects to allow them to design and manufacture parts. Roll forwards to now, the last few years have seen a transformation in Fusion 360. It is now unique in the marketplace. It's professional grade manufacturing software. It's not just CAD software, it's not CAM software, it's not PCB design software, rendering, simulation, drawings. It's not one of those things, it's all of those things in a single integrated solution that's based on the cloud with data at the center. And that tool is allowing customers like Lightning Motorcycles and others to bring products to market that are better, more sustainable, and using innovative technology to reduce the price and the impact on the planet.
Absolutely. So if you're a small to medium-sized business, big enterprise, small hobbyist, the software is definitely for every single one of you if you want to stay unique. And I'm loving the transformational, innovative technology. Let's go talk to Spencer now about the exact capabilities of Fusion and how they can help your business stay competitive. Spencer, engineers have been using CAD/CAM software, simulation software for a long time now. But with the traditional kind of software, what challenges would they face?
It's a great question. So throughout the product development lifecycle, traditionally there's point solutions, a solution that is designed and made for a specific function. What we're doing with Fusion 360 is trying to bridge those gaps and break down those silos to create an end-to-end solution for the entire product development lifecycle. Whether that's on the design side, the manufacturing side, or anything in between, including drawings and rendering, and even built-in electronics capabilities, so that you're always using this single source of truth and allowing you to adapt to change much, much easier. Traditionally, a change upstream causes significant downstream interruption and disruption, not with Fusion 360.
Okay, let's take a really quick tour around the whole of Fusion 360. Let's imagine we're designing a consumer product. How do we use Fusion to help us in every stage of that design and manufacture process?
Well, every stage is covered. So we start with the design space, and that's going to give you direct modeling, but it's also going to give you a parametric design modeling tool with full design history, allowing you to easily make changes. You move then forward through to things like simulation, integrated simulation, to make sure the parts you're designing are going to work in real life once they're produced. And talking of production, manufacturing capabilities for every application, whether it's 2D all the way up to 5-axis machining. You've got nesting capabilities in there as well. And let's not forget additive manufacturing as well, all within the same environment. Okay, so that's lowering the learning curve, and it's easy to adapt and grow as your business grows with Fusion 360.
Spencer, you've just discussed a huge range of technology that's available, but surely the businesses that you work with, not all of them need every single part of that.
That's right, and so that's why we've built the idea of extensions. So we have this core offering that's priced at a very disruptive price point that gives users the flexibility and the functionality they need for the vast majority of the time. But we've also built the idea of extensions on top of that to give the users that need it those more advanced capabilities. And we've got extensions that cover every domain, from machining to additive to design to even electronics. There's an extension for each and every area to allow your business to grow. And we understand that there's market volatility and change happens. And so we've built Fusion 360 in a way that allows businesses to adapt to changing circumstances.
And there seems to be so much technology development happening around Fusion all the time. What is driving that, Spencer?
Well, the customers. The community is very vibrant, very, very active. The Fusion 360 online forum is one of the most active Autodesk forums there is out there. We've also got the Insider program, and that gives users 4 weeks early access to each and every release, allowing users to benefit from all the latest and greatest in features and functionality to allow your business to thrive and adapt as Fusion adapts as well.
And it's not just professional engineers who are using it too.
Absolutely, yeah. We offer an education version of our product for free to all education users. We have millions of active users using our education versions, empowering the future of design and manufacturing.
So those are the capabilities of Fusion 360 right now, but Clinton, what's coming in the future?
Yeah, well, understandably, Fusion 360 as a product continues to develop. This year is a major focus for us for milling, for turn milling, and that's just in the manufacturing space. You can imagine we're going to continue to focus on electronics, design automation. The whole solution is going to continue to evolve. But in the long term, we have a vision, and that is that we want to deliver 3 industry-focused cloud solutions to our customers. So if you're in manufacturing, in architecture, engineering, construction, or media and entertainment, our cloud solutions will automate common workflows that you use to design and make your world, the parts that you make. And the industry cloud for design and manufacturing is Autodesk Fusion. In the long term, Fusion is going to provide those automated solutions so you can speed up the time it takes you to design parts, reduce the amount of button clicks needed to generate your NC code, access these innovative technologies like 3D metals-based printing, simulation, generative design. All of those tools will be on one unified connected solution.
And there's a huge community that's available to help you learn how to use Fusion. How do people get involved if they want to try it out?
Yeah, as you say, I mean, to go from not knowing Fusion to being a master of Fusion takes literally days. Within the first day, you'll learn how to use Fusion so quickly. You can be productive within a couple of days, profitable within the first week. It's that easy to use. Now, if you're watching this video and thinking, I'd like to learn more about Fusion, then you've got a number of choices. You can visit the website that's on screen right now, or scan that QR code to visit the Fusion 360 Product Center. But there you can watch videos about the product in action. You can download a completely free 30-day trial, access to everything we've talked about today, really get to use the software of your data. But if you want to talk to the sales team, we've got a global network of resellers that can help you with custom training, custom automation, most editing post-processes and so forth. And if you really have been sold by this and you want to get hold of the software today, we're running some great promotional deals right now. So visit this website and you'll be able to start that journey on the Fusion 360 journey.
Perfect. So if you're a hobbyist or you're running a big business doing real complex design and engineering, scan that QR code today.